Hi guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be talking about a product called Take and Toss. They are reusable snack cups and regular cups, and they are for ages 18 months and over. So just be sure to check my video description for more information on this product. So this product is so perfect for just daily, everyday activities. Even if you're home, they're perfect because they are reusable and you could just reuse the cups all the time. I know that I'm constantly cleaning my son's sippy cups and stuff like that because we only have a few of them. This comes with 10 of these cups. So when your toddler is old enough to drink out of the straw, these are perfect. Or even drink out of the cup. You don't need to use the straw. So I just went away for a week and I bought these because I just thought they were perfect, like to take to go with you, because we were like out on the beach all day and stuff like that, and it was super hard to, just stop every time the baby was hungry to go get something to eat. So this certainly made life so much easier. So what they come with is, as you can see here on the box, 10 straw cups with lids, 10 snack bowls with lids, and then 10 bowls with lids. And it's a 30-piece party pack. What's awesome is these are dishwasher-safe. They are microwave and freezer-safe. So if you... What I use the cups for, the snack bowls, was I would put like a yogurt with blueberries in them and stick it in the fridge. Oatmeal, even like Cheerios, those obviously you don't refrigerate. And you could, if you make your kids like your homemade ice pops or something like that, they're definitely perfect to go into the freezer. So my son recently started using straws, so that definitely made life easier. And they do come with, I just want to show you guys, they do come with the reusable straws, which is also nice that they're reusable and dishwasher safe, because you guys know all these things going on with the straws, how they're hurting wildlife and stuff like that, like the plastic ones. So these are nice because they're reusable. So they're perfect. And my son's 19 months. These are 18 months and above, but he just started wanting to use the straw. So luckily now I can really start using these. But I mean, even like these snack cups, I would say once your kids start at 9 months or whatever, eating Cheerios or anything like that, you could start using some of these products. So even though it says 18 months plus, I would say realistically the snack cups and stuff, as soon as they're eating solid food, really you could use these for. And it's great if you have like a babysitter and you want to pre-portion stuff. So if I have like my mother-in-law watching the baby, I could go ahead and put like the yogurt and the blueberries in the fridge and portion it to the amount that I want, and stuff like that. So you can see here in the picture, they have cereal in one of the spill-proof cups. And this is like the actual size of them. So this is one of the cups. I showed you guys the straws. And then these are the different size snack bowls. So if you want like a smaller snack, these are all perfect for that. Bigger one. And then these are the lids. And then here we have the snack cups. Oh, I'm sorry. My apologies. These are the tops to these. So these you could actually use as a snack cup as well, but I use these more for a drinking cup. So put juice in, even like water. My son drinks out of the straw. So these are the tops for these snack cups. These are the tops for these drink / snack cups. And then we have the straws as well. So it's really nice because it's like if you lose one, which trust me, if you're a parent, is bound to happen. It's like you have so many more and they're inexpensive. So to clean, wash all components before use, absolutely. Disassemble cups before cleaning all pieces, top rack dishwasher safe, or hand wash in warm water using mild liquid soap and rinse thoroughly with clean water when dishwashing. Place straw in covered utensil basket. I have like a small, like little utensil basket that I used for my son's nipples and like, you know, bottle nipples and stuff like that. So they fit perfectly in those. And then I'm more of a dishwasher person than the hand wash. So I put these in the dishwasher top rack before using. And this is about like the age of my son. And you can see like the little kids like it. And they're in fun colors. Blue, green, yellow, orange, red. They're in pretty bright, fun colors and BPA free. So guys, this is the take and toss, use again and again, reusable snack cups with lids and drink cups. I hope that you guys found my video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks guys and have a great day.